Hello everyone, this is Native Man. In this video, we are going to solve this exponential equation 3 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 1 over 81. So what is the value of x in this exponential equation? Okay, so to solve this exponential equation, 3 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 1 over 81. We're going to look at the variable x. So the variable x is in the exponent and the base is 3. So therefore, to solve this variable x in our equation, we need to rewrite 81 in exponential form. Okay? Because this is 1 over 81. So how? We just copy first is 1, 3 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 1 over 81 can be written as 3 raised to the fourth power. Okay? So notice here, the base is 3 here and we have the base 3 here. How about this one? So we are going to rewrite 1 over 3 raised to the fourth power as whole number. So how? We are going to move 3 raised to the fourth power, move in the numerator. So if you're going to move that one, this will become 3 raised to the negative 4 power. Okay? So we have now equal bases. So we have 3 and we have 3 on the other side. So therefore, if the base or bases are equal, then we are going to equate the exponent. So this become the exponent here is x plus 1 is equal to the exponent on the other side is negative 4 equal to negative 4. And then we are going to solve for x here. So x plus 1 is equal to negative 4. Okay? So I'm going to write it here. So to solve this one, x plus 1 is equal to negative 4. We're going to move plus 1 here, move to the right side of the equation. So how? We just, the inverse of positive 1 is negative 1. So negative 1 and then negative 1 on the other side. So we can cancel positive 1 and negative 1 here. So this will become, what is the remaining at the right of left of equal sign? This is x. So x is equal to negative 4, then negative 1. If you're going to combine, that is negative 5. So the value of x in our equation is negative 5. So let's check if our answer is correct. Okay, so to check, get the original equation. Then we're going to substitute the calculated value of x, which is negative 5. So we just substitute negative 5 to the variable here. So 3 raised to x plus 1. So this will become 3 raised to negative 5 plus 1 is equal to 1 over 81. Okay, and then add negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. So 3 raised to negative 4 is equal to 1 over 81. Then to simplify 3 raised to negative 4, we are going to remove negative sign of the exponent. So how? We are going to bring it down here. Okay? Since the denominator of 3 raised to negative 4 is 1. Okay? So this will become 1 over 3 raised to the fourth power. So the exponent here is removed. Okay? Then equal to 1 over 81. Then simplify, what is 3 raised to the fourth power? 3 raised to the fourth power is 81. And that is equal to 1 over 81. So 1 over 81 is equal to 1 over 81. And this is correct. So therefore, our answer negative 5 is correct. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please click like and then subscribe if you're not done yet for more video lesson.